All right, let's craft a QA resume that actually gets you that interview.
So, you're a great QA pro, but your resume is just sitting there in a pile, right?
You've got 6 seconds. Yep, 6. That's all the time a recruiter gives it. Let's make them count.
First, you gotta get past the robot gatekeepers. Then you have to wow the actual human.
Here's the game plan. We'll go from beating the bots to telling your awesome career story.
All right, let's get into it. First up, making sure those resume bots can even read your file.
Keep it super simple. Standard headers, boring fonts, and save it as a docx file. Trust me.
Now for keywords, just pull them from the job description and sprinkle them in. It's that easy.
This is huge. Stop just listing what you did. Start showing off what you accomplished.
So a lot of people write this, it's okay, but it doesn't really show your impact.
Now look at this version. It screams value. It shows exactly how you made things better. And you can do this for pretty much anything. Just follow these 4 simple steps.
Here's the secret formula. Start with a power verb. It makes you sound like a total pro.
So ditch responsible for. Use words like spearheaded or optimized. It's a game changer.
Okay, moving on. Let's make sure your skills section is really pulling its weight. You need a good mix here. The techie stuff, your hard skills, and your people skills too.
Got certs? Show them off. They're proof you know your stuff and can really set you apart.
Okay, now for the stuff you absolutely have to avoid. These are the real resume killers.
Seriously? Typos, cliches, and not tailoring your resume? Instant no pile, especially for QA.
Remember, this isn't just a list of jobs. It's your professional story. Make it a good one.
Quality is your job, right? Well, your resume is the very first test of that commitment. So, what story is your resume telling right now? Is it a story they just can't ignore?